Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to create a app installation campaign in FB Ads account. Basically, app install campaign allow us to send visitor directly to our Google Play Store or Apple Store so that they can easily install our app and use the same. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Let me show you how to do it. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create a app install campaign in our Facebook ads account. So as you already know, with the help of this campaign we will maximize our app installs in the Google Play stores or the Apple App Store section. So let me show you how to do it so that you can generate good result from them. So for creating the app install campaign, you just need to click on the create segment in the dashboard. And once you click on it, as you know, we have different objectives here. So you need to go to the app promotion section. Okay, and you need to click on it and you need to choose the manual option, because whenever we run any campaign, first we need to choose manual app promotion campaign, because it will give us more control and we will able to do minor changes like detail targeting, age targeting, and a lot of things in the manual promotion campaign option. Okay, but in the advantage plus plus we can't do these type of things. That's why I always suggest to create a manual campaign. And then you need to click on the continue button, and once you click on it, as you can see, now we are on the campaign level. In the campaign level, I have already choose the app promotion objective, so there is nothing else need to do here. Just need to go to the ad set section, and in the ad set section you need to choose your app name as you have installed. And at the ad set level we got our first option, and the first option is mobile app store. This option indicates which Play Store we are using for our app. If we are using Google Play Store, we need to choose this option. If we are using Apple App Store for our app, we need to choose App Store. And with the help of this, we have different options. So we need to choose where our app is uploaded. As my app is uploaded in Google Play, so I will choose Google Play Store option. And after that, you need to enter your app name, as I will choose Hello Canada app for my account. Okay, so as I have choose, it is a random one, but you need to choose your app name which you have named in Google Play Store so that it will be visible here and you can choose them. And after that, you need to choose our goal. You need maximize clicks on the ads, or you need maximum number of app events which you have created in like events which you have created in your apps, or you need to maximize number of map install. You want that, so you can choose different option here. I will choose maximum number of app install because I need maximum people will reach my ad and install my ad, so I will choose this option here. That you need to set the daily budget of the campaign, as I have set the daily budget $40, so you can set it here. And after that, we need to go to the audience section, as Facebook right now nowadays always choose advantage plus plus audience. So I will choose manual audience. With the help of switch to original audience option, I will choose original audience. And here, as you can see, I will choose my targeted location. I will choose my age group, which kind of age group I want to target. I will choose my gender group. I will choose what kind of detailed targeting person, what kind of people who are more interested in our app, so I will choose them from here. So with the help of that, we will target our audience, and after that you need to choose the placements. And as you know, we have two options: advantage plus plus placement, in which Facebook automatically show our ads in different placement where they think we'll get the conversion. And in the manual placement option, we can choose where we need to show our ads. As I want to show my ads on Facebook feed, I have already chosen there. So with the help of that, you can do it here. Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed, Instagram business explore. You can choose which placement you think is best for your ads. You can do it here. And after that we need to go to the ad section. And in the ad section, my first thing which I need to do is select my page. Okay, as I will put my page name and select it here. Okay, and after that, as you can see, my preview option is open here now because I have chosen my page. And as you can see, Google Play Store option is automatically fetched here because we have choose the app in the ad section. So you don't need to do anything here. Just scroll down and add image. As I will add video, I will choose this video so that people can watch my video and see what kind of services I am giving and install my app. And I have uploaded the video. I have already created my contact, my primary contact, so that I can copy the same and paste it here. And as you can see here, we have different, like we have the full view of our ad, how my ad is being showing to the visitors. So after that we need to put a headline here. As I will choose hello, you can choose any kind of headline which you think will be best for your ads. I will choose hello Canada. It's just an example, and you can choose whatever you want. And in the now we need to double check the thing that our call to action is always install now. You can't choose order now, play game, sign up, listen now. You can't choose these call to actions in app install campaign. You just need to choose install now option so that people will click on the ad and go to the Play Store and install our app. And after that you can also put a link here. If you have a website where your app store APK is installed, so you can put a link here. And after that you just need to click on the publish button. Once you click on the publish button, our campaign will be published and our ads will be showing to the visitors, and they will, if they think our services is good, they can click on the install button and install our app and do the things. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a app install campaign in our AppV ads account. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one.